Hey, welcome to my special life coaching video series, Make Life Easy. My name is Avinash Bhaskar Chate, and throughout this series, I will be training you on different tools to make your life easy. Today, we are going to focus on the topic called strength. My question to you is, do we use 100% of our strength? Let's focus on a story. A young girl and her father were walking along a forest path. At some point, they came across a large tree branch on the ground in front of them. Now, curiositily, the girl asked her father, "If I try, do you think I can move this branch, Dad?" Her father replied, "I'm sure you can if you use all your strength, my dear daughter." Now, the girl tried her best to lift or push the branch. She was pushing hard, but she was not strong enough and she couldn't move it. Now, with very disappointment, she said, "You are wrong, Dad. I cannot move it." Now, Dad said, "Try again, my dear daughter, with all your strength and you can do it." Now, again, the girl tried hard to push the branch. She was trying to push that branch very hard. She struggled but did not move. Now, she said, "Dad, I cannot do it. I quit." Now, finally, her father said, "Young lady, I advise you to use all your strength, but you didn't ask me for any help. I was standing beside you." Now, what this story suggests to you? You see, our real strength lies not in independence, my dear friends, but in interdependence. No individual person in this world has all the strengths, all the resources and all the stamina required to complete the dream, my dear friends. To ask for help and support when we need it is not a sign of weakness. We generally feel like that. It is sign of wisdom. If you are a student, don't hesitate to have a guru, a coach. And if you are a businessman, always remember your team is your strength. If you are a corporate employee, remember your organization is your strength. And if you are a politician, a great politician, never ever forget that public who voted for you is your strength. The next time you come across any problem, a challenge that you are not able to deal with yourself, don't hesitate to ask for help. You can ask a family member, a friend, sometimes asking a coach or me, Avinash Bhaskar Chate, isn't a bad idea either. So hope you like this video, and always remember, try to use the 100% of your strength which is there in front of you when you are in problem. Never ever shy or hesitate to ask any kind of help. So I think you got this lesson. Let's make life easy. Thank you so much. Hope you like this video. If you like this video, please share this video and subscribe to my channel. Press the bell icon. Let's make this life easy. Thank you.